Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishrat Meena Mirzana, Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, MJCT Hyderabad. I am here to talk about the importance of biodiesel production. Why I am discussing about biodiesel production and what is it all about, I will get into detail once I focus about the importance of SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals that are defined by UNESCO, and there are 17 goals that are defined by UNESCO to transform our world, and these goals have to be achieved by us before 2030. And in this process we need to focus upon what are the various things that can be done as engineers or as human beings we should be contributing to the society so that we can have a greener planet and a better society to live in for our future generations. Coming to the biodiesel, what it is a biofuel intended as a substitute for diesel. How it can be procured? The biodiesel cycle starts with the oil crops. From the oil crops, the seeds are extracted, which are used for the making of the crude vegetable oil, which is refined to get the refined vegetable oil. Once it is used, we can mix it with the alcohol to subject it to the trans-esterification process, and thereby will be obtaining the biodiesel and its bioproduct glycerol, which is being used by the food industry, cosmetic industry, and there are numerous other applications of biodiesel. The various applications of biodiesels are used in railways, aircrafts. It is also used in heating oils and cleaning the oil spills. Not only for these purposes, but the biodiesel can be used in generators and vehicles, especially automobiles. Why we have to utilize them? What are the benefits of this biodiesel? The benefits of biodiesel are it is healthier. What we mean by healthier is there is no carbon dioxide emissions are reduced to minimal, so there is no black exhaust, and it is environmental friendly because the emissions, the greenhouse gas emissions are reduced to a maximum percentage compared to the petroleum diesel. And the most significant contribution or utility of biodiesel is we need not go for any engine modification, thereby it is best for the engines, and it is safer to use because its flash point is higher compared to the petroleum. Coming to the SDGs that are being achieved because of the methodology that is being utilized with respect to the biodiesel production are affordable and clean energy, because we are trying to produce the engine, utilize the biofuel for the production, for running of the vehicles and for the other applications, and it is not harming the environment, so you can say it's a form of clean energy. The process that is being incorporated is having its innovation in itself, and whatever the used oil is there, that is being utilized, thereby the production of biodiesel is being carried out. That's the reason it is having responsible consumption and production. Coming to the process, why we need to focus on waste cooking oil. As much as 23 million tons of edible oil is consumed in the country annually. Out of this, 3 million tons of oil is discarded after use and is called as the used cooking oil. There is a potential to generate 222 crores of liters of used cooking oil annually, and to get this oil we are utilizing the seeds from palm, soybean, rapeseed, sunflower. The various seeds are being utilized, and thereby the vegetable oil production is also increasing as the consumption is increased, and the greatest market producers are Indonesia and Malaysia, and then followed by the other countries. India's production is also high and consumption is also minimal. But coming to the process of biodiesel production from waste cooking oil, the waste cooking oil whatever is has to be procured from various sources, from the various consumers, and thereby it should be blended. The blending should be the waste cooking oil plus the methanol, that is the alcohol plus biocatalyst. Once the blending is done, then the process can be carried out of esterification process in a microwave. By using a microwave heating process, the process of esterification is reduced and we get a better yield based upon the mixing blending process of the waste cooking oil with the alcohol. And once this process is completed, then we'll carry out separation process. This separation process that is being carried out is to recover the alcohol that has not undergone any chemical reaction during the esterification process. Once this is separated, then the last stage is the distillation process, which is a gravity separation process. In this case, the biodiesel and the glycerol are separated, and the biodiesel that is produced using this process using microwave heating is giving an yield of 96%. And once this biofuel that has been produced has been tested in a variable compression engine, and the B40, that is blending of 40% of biofuel with the diesel, has given best test results which are at par with the diesel fuel. And at the same time, it was noted that the pollutants that are released during with this blended ones are very less compared to the pure diesel oil. So that's the reason it has lot of scope, and this process can be adapted for a greener environment. This project was funded by the management of MJCET under the guidance of Dr. Bashir Ahmed sir, and the funding and everything, the process was supported by our Honorary Secretary Janab Zafar Javed Saab, and we got a patent for this process because it is an efficient process for biodiesel production. The inventee along with me is Dr. MGV Satyanarayan sir of Chemistry Department, who has given a lot of contribution for this biodiesel project. Why we need to focus on this biodiesel is it's a part of a biofuel, and August 10th is observed as a World Biofuel Day in honor of Sir Rudolf Diesel, inventor of the diesel engine. And at present, 850 crores of diesel is consumed every month in India. To overcome this consumption rate and to have a better, greener environment, we need to switch over for a biodiesel. The more details can be checked on various websites. Thank you, and looking forward for the greener environment so that we'll have our SDGs achieved and we'll have a healthier and greener planet. Thank you.